Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching this video. Today I'll be showing you a straightforward video on how to add Superscript in Excel. To start, open up your Excel worksheet. You can insert a text, number or symbol and turn it into a superscript. So let's try turning a text into a superscript. Select the text you want to turn. Then, in the Home tab section, locate the Cells section. You click on Format. Then you choose Format Cells. Now you choose Superscript and click on OK. Now you can see the text has been turned into a superscript. Another way is to select the number. Let's try adding a number or turning a number to a superscript. You select the number, then you right click, select the number, then right click and choose or select Format Cells. You'll be brought to this section again. You choose Superscript and you select OK. Now you see the number has been turned into a superscript. So the same method for symbols. Now you have successfully inserted or added superscript to your Excel worksheet. If you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. See you in the next video guys. Bye.